How to access backed up chats on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Then, go to the settings option at the bottom right corner. After that, select the option Chats from the menu. Then, tap on Chat Backup. Once you're in this page, turn on the auto backup option according to your priorities. You can either select daily, weekly, or even monthly. Once you're done, get to the previous page and hit the option Backup Now. The application will calculate the total size and start backing up all the chats and documents on WhatsApp. Now, if you log into a new device, all the backed up data will automatically sync to your new device and you can resume your activities without any fear of losing data. So, by following these easy steps, you can access backed up chats on WhatsApp.